Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the teaser of the upcoming project named Codename Austin Namaste, which is located near Mumbai-Bangalore Expressway, Mukai Chowk, Mamurdi, Pune, and is developed by Austin Realty. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is a sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office you get Gaunje Road. Now, before we get into the video, let me tell you the points we will be discussing in it. That will be project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of Project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 4.5 acre of land parcel having 5 towers with ground plus 22 floors, in which you will be getting 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. This project is located near Mumbai-Bangalore Expressway, Mukai Chowk, Mamurdi, Pune. And इस project की connectivity में आपको मिल जाता है Mumbai-Bangalore Expressway, which is 1.4 kilometers away, Symbiosis Skills and Professional University, which is 2.5 kilometers away, and Mukai Chowk bus stop, which is 3.8 kilometers away. Now, let me tell you the amenities this project provides you with the help of Project's 3D model. This project has over 40 plus luxurious amenities such as net cricket, kids play area, multi-purpose court, clubhouse, jogging track, temple premises, and many more. Now, let me tell you about the carpet area of this project. This project has 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies, in which you will be getting 2 BHK starting from 600 to 700 square feet and 3 BHK which is starting from 830 to 890 square feet carpet area. Now, let us discuss the booking process. Project booking window is now open. The client may come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the payment and the pricing schemes, and will show you the actual location of the project. And then if the client likes the project, they may proceed with the booking process. So everyone, this was the teaser of Austin Namaste, which is located near Mumbai-Bangalore Expressway, Mukai Chowk, Mamurdi, Pune, and is developed by Austin Realty. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.